Hi, I'm Dr. Jim Gimarelli. As a dentist, I understand the importance of regular dental cleanings. Unfortunately, about half of our members don't go to see the dentist regularly for those cleanings. So I would like to talk a little bit about why that may be and debunk some of the myths that cause people not to go to the dentist. Usually, when you go in to get your exam cleanings and x-rays, it only takes about an hour or less. Also, if you go in for your exams, cleaning, and x-rays and get the simple procedures done that are necessary, that will make it so that you don't have the more complex procedures that are more costly and more time-consuming down the road. Under most dental insurance plans, exams, cleaning, and x-rays are covered at 100%, and there's typically little to no out-of-pocket expense for the member. Additionally, if you are getting your regular cleanings and other procedures done that are simpler, it will make it so you won't have the more expensive procedures down the road. For most people, when they have tooth issues, gum issues, there's usually no pain involved until the situation becomes pretty dire and the teeth or the gums are in really bad shape. And so just because you don't have any pain doesn't mean that you don't have to go to the dentist. First of all, I want to acknowledge that most people have anxiety when they're thinking about going to the dentist. But if you go in for your exam, cleaning, and x-ray, typically it doesn't take very long, and it's usually pretty painless. Thank you for watching. Now go schedule your dental cleaning.